10th, welcome to your Social Science Guide channel. Today I will cover the part 2 of laterite soil, which is the area. Now there are some points in the areas which you can also add in the features of the laterite soil. So let's begin. The first area of the laterite soil is the southern states. इंडिया की जितनी भी सर्दर्न स्टेट्स हैं सब में लेटेराइट सॉइल आपको मिलेगी. द सेकेंड एरिया फॉर द लेटेराइट सॉइल इज द वेस्टर्न घाट्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र एंड ओडिशा. Western Ghats, I have explained in the previous video that Western Ghats are the mountain range which are the parallel to the western coast, which is located or covers the areas between the states between Kerala and Gujarat. So the Western Ghats of Maharashtra and Odisha. The third area where we find the laterite soil is that there are some parts of West Bengal and north eastern states where it supports deciduous and evergreen forests. Okay, so these are the areas where we get the laterite soil. Now मैंने आपको बोला था कि कुछ ऐसे areas है which you can include in the features of the laterite soil as well. You can make the laterite soil. So this is some part of West Bengal and northeastern states where it supports deciduous and evergreen forest. You can add this particular area point in the features of the laterite soil as well. Now, what are deciduous and evergreen forests? The deciduous forests are the forest which has the deciduous trees, which is full of deciduous trees. Now, what are deciduous trees? Deciduous trees are the flowering plants which require mild wet climate and they shed their leaves seasonally, or they are also known as the your broadleaf forest or the dry forest. Okay, because they have the very big leaves, and the examples can be oak, elm, maple. Now what are evergreen forests? Evergreen forests are the opposite of the deciduous forest, as the evergreen forests are the rainforest. They appear always green because they do not shed their leaves. Now the example of the evergreen forest tree is the eucalyptus, which protects your hair from dandruff. So these are the areas where we find the laterite soil. Now there are two more areas where we find the laterite soil, plus those points you can also add into the features of the laterite soil. So there are some areas of the laterite soil where you can cut short and also mention in the features of the laterite soil. Now the next area of the laterite soil is, the meanings I will give you at the end of the video. The fourth area of the laterite soil is, which you can add in the feature as well, is that after adequate soil conservation methods in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka, these soils are suitable for beverage crops like tea and coffee. Okay, so after the proper soil conservation method in these areas, this soil has been made capable for growing the beverages crops like the tea and coffee. The fifth area where we find the laterite soil, red laterite soil. This you can also add in the feature, red laterite soils in where? In Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. Suitable for growing cashew nuts. What are cashew nuts? Cashew nuts are kaju. Okay, so these are the areas where we find the laterite soil along with the features. Now let me give you separate. Now let us discuss the areas. अगर हम areas ऐसे discuss ना करें, अगर हम जो features हमने इन areas में पढ़े हैं, अगर हम उनको separate करके देखें, तो what are the areas of the laterite soil? Let's discuss again. You can write like this: areas. First area मैंने आपको बताया था कि southern states हैं, तो you can write southern states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, etc. You can write like this. The second we can write, जो मैंने आपको बताया है कि वेस्टर्न घाट्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र एंड ओडिशा. अगर आपको वेस्टर्न घाट्स की डेफिनेशन और डिटेल में जाननी है, यू कैन सी द वीडियो, द प्रीवियस वीडियो. देन आई टोल्ड यू द अनदर एरिया ऑफ द लेटराइट सॉइल इज दैट कि आफ्टर द suitable soil conservation methods, the laterite soil in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala are used to grow the tea and coffee. Now in these areas are covered in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala in the southern states. So you can use that line in the features also, that after the proper conservation method, the laterite soil are also used to grow the beverages crop like tea and coffee. After that I told you the area that in the northeastern region and in the West Bengal it supports the deciduous and evergreen forest. Now in this you can only write that in some parts of the northeastern states and West Bengal, and that area it supports deciduous and evergreen forest, you can write in the feature part, or you can write both the states and that feature in the areas as well in the features also. The last area which I taught you, that red laterite soil are found in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh, where it helps to grow the cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are the kaju. So in the states you can write like this, that first you have written the southern states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. Then the second you can write the western ghats of Maharashtra and Odisha. Now the next area you can write some parts of West Bengal and northeastern region. Okay, so basically there are the three areas of the laterite soil, but due to the inclusion of features it had become the 5 points. So you can write those 5 points, or you can also write the areas like this in 3 points. Okay, now जो हमने उस दिन features लिखे थे, let's add the features from the areas कि what are the other features of the laterite soil, which you can add in this also to tell the areas, but they are also the another features of the laterite soil. Let us see कि और हमें क्या क्या फीचर्स मिले लेटेराइट सॉइल के? Features, other features of the laterite soil, which you can include or not include, it is up to you. The first feature we have studied that after proper conservation method, it helps to grow two types of beverage crop like tea and coffee. The next feature which we get from the laterite soil is that the red soil are very suitable for growing the cashew nuts. And the third feature which we got today about the laterite soil is that it supports the evergreen forest and the deciduous forest. Now let me explain you the evergreen forest and the deciduous forest. This is not coming in your paper, but to explain you, but to make you understand कि कौन कौन से टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट को लेटेराइट सॉइल सपोर्ट करता है, बस इसीलिए मैं आपको ये दोनों फॉरेस्ट के बारे में बता रही हूँ, एवरग्रीन एंड डेसिडियस. नाउ एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट जो है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट, दे आर आल्सो नोन एज द रेन फॉरेस्ट. यू कैन कॉपी इट इन द रफ इफ यू वांट. दे आर आल्सो कॉल्ड द रेन फॉरेस्ट. सेकेंडली, दे ऑलवेज appear green. The third is that they do not shed their leaves. Okay, this is the evergreen forest. They are rainforest. They always appear green. They do not shed their leaves. And the last thing, the next is that they are famous for eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. Okay. Next come to the deciduous forest. The deciduous forests are rich in the deciduous trees, which are the flowering plants. Flowering plants, and they require wet, mild wet climate. Mild wet climate. ठीक है? And the other thing that the deciduous forest is that they are called the dry forest or the broad leaf forest because they have big flat leaves. And the third thing is that they shed their leaves seasonally. They shed their leaves seasonally. यहाँ पे shedding होती रहती है. They shed their leaves seasonally. And the fourth thing is we find here oak, elm, maple, etc. These are the types of trees which we find here. So eucalyptus is the type of evergreen tree, and the oak, elm and the maple are the deciduous tree. So these are the features and the areas of the laterite soil. Now the last thing which I have to discuss about the laterite soil is the crops. What are the crops we get from the laterite soil? Which type of crops we found from the laterite soil? Crops. सबसे पहले हम बेवरेज क्रॉप लेते हैं इनसे, टी, कॉफी. The soil is suitable for growing tea and coffee, and the last is cashew. Cashew. The last is the cashew. Cashew nut are the kaju. Okay, it is the dry. So I think the laterite soil part 2 is clear to you. I will make the next video on the next type of soil, which is called the arid soil. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and support like this. Thank you.